Don't climb the trellis. Hey, Luke, are you in Grandma and Grandpa Smith's backyard? That's not a toy. That's a trellis for flowers. Hey, Luke, there's Grandpa. Let's go see what Luke saw. Mommy wants to see it. Come here, take Mommy to see it. That's Grandma's shed. Yeah, it's Grandma's storage shed. Come on out, silly boy. It's Grandma's Christmas tree. That's right. Show me what Grandpa showed you. What Grandpa showed you? Was it bunny rabbits?
Yes,
can I go see him? No. Let's get out of Grandma's storage shed. Show Mommy what you saw.
It's a storage shed.
Yeah, that's Grandma's storage shed. Show Mommy what you saw. You seen bunny rabbits?
Yeah.
Come here, let's go see him.
What?
You're silly. Here, I'm going to take a movie of Grandpa's bunny rabbits. Well, we saw a wild one when we pulled up, and he took a movie on his iPod.
It wasn't wild, it was one of these.
What was it doing out? It looked pretty tame. So I was like, it's not running off, Luke.
I showed him a little baby in here. This one's got 2 little babies.
Watch out, Luke. Come here. Where are the baby rabbits?
They're in there.
Baby rabbits. I can't see them in the fluff.
Well, that's why. Yeah.
There's the mama rabbit. Grandpa's going to show me a baby rabbit, Luke. I'm taking a movie. Let's see the baby rabbit. Oh, it's a baby rabbit, Luke. Cute.
There's only 2 in there. But
Yeah.
she don't like us messing with them.
Watch out with the board, goofball. What you doing? Beating on Grandpa's tree with the board? You silly. Did you have fun with your cousins today?
Yes.
I thought you did. I knew you'd like seeing your cousins.